Hello guys, my name is Jonathan Farinha.
And I'm Reggie Williams. And today we're here to talk to you about what's been happening in the media and on the newspapers in regards to the foreclosure freezes.
The following banks are having foreclosure freezes in the following states. Reggie, who has extensive experience in the mortgage industry, what is your take on the current issues?
The foreclosure freezes should be instilled because most of the mortgages and foreclosures that have been processed have not been processed correctly. Either there's been clerical errors or just the whole due process have not been given to the clients.
When you say due process, can you give me the meaning in layman terms, please?
Absolutely. Every mortgage has between 100 to 200 pages of paperwork. And there's a specific procedure that the courts want us to follow to actually execute a foreclosure or a short sale. There is a small percentage of these foreclosures that have been done in the last 2 years that are done correctly. And because of that, no one has had a fair chance or a fair trial at keeping their house or selling their house. Now, John, I know you have experience in the mortgage industry as well. If they were to instill a foreclosure freeze, what benefits would come out of that?
Well, the first benefit would be pause, much needed pause for the federal government to get together with the state governments and with the lenders to figure out a fair process that will benefit both the lender and the homeowners. Like Reggie mentioned, there's been many unfair trials where people have been kicked out of their houses. This pause will give us time to reflect back on those mistakes and come up with new solutions. It will also give us the time to stop foreclosures for a while and allow the home prices to stabilize. As we know, home prices have decreased 40 to 60% in most states. By stabilizing the foreclosures, we stabilize the real estate market, which will help us in the long run towards the economy.
So definitely, it sounds like if they do actually decide to have a foreclosure freeze, that it won't only benefit the banks, it will benefit the clients and everyone else. Maybe even if you're not in foreclosure, it will benefit you. And I think that it will help the people who are currently in foreclosure live a better life. You'll have a lot more peaceable relationships and home life, because going through a foreclosure creates a lot of stress. And let's just say it, people who are stressed out cannot be happy all the time. So this will help people take a breath back, have more peace of mind, and also help the banks realize what they've done is unfair to the public and unfair to their own process. So it sounds like we agree on the foreclosure freeze being instilled.
We definitely do, and like he said, a better peace of mind creates less stress for you, and we're in the holidays. It's time to be stress-free.
Exactly.
And if you need some information in regards to modifications or any mortgages or information is displayed at the end of this video, give us a call or send us an email.
We are definitely here to help. We like helping. Making people happy is our goal. So look at the screen, take down the information, call us with a big or small question. We're excited to be there for you. Thanks again.
Thank you for tuning in. Bye.
Bye.